Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Decide the cavity size and mark a 6-inch by 6-inch square on the wall at the stud bay. Measure twice and verify that the chosen location clears wiring and plumbing by at least 3-5 inches. Plan an access method: removable panel, magnetic flap, or a hinged trim piece. Sketch the final panel on the wallpaper surface and use a level to keep lines straight. Allow a 1/4-inch reveal around the opening to avoid tearing wallpaper when inserting the panel. Confirm the cavity will hold your items before cutting. Cut through wallpaper and drywall inside the marked square, leaving the paper face intact if possible. Score the wallpaper perimeter with a utility knife, then remove the inner drywall with a jab saw to the desired depth. Use a 1/2-inch depth for shallow storage or 3-5-inch depth for holding small boxes. Fit a lightweight backing board and shim it to be flush with the wallpaper face. Install a lightweight backing and fasten with screws into the stud every 6 inches for secure support. Attach a removable panel trimmed to match the wallpaper pattern or cover with matching paper so the repair is invisible at arm's length. Use concealed magnets or 2 small hinges and a touch latch for easy access under 30 seconds, or choose screws for longer-term security. Seal edges with thin paintable caulk and allow 24 hours to dry before pressure testing. Label internally and keep an external discrete mark for future retrieval without damaging wallpaper. And record dimensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.